Here the question is, prove that sin A minus 2 sin cube A whole divided by 2 cos cube A minus cos A is equal to tan A. Solve the LHS first. Sin A minus 2 sin cube A divided by 2 cos cube A minus cos A. From the numerator, we will take sin A as common. So, sin A into 1 minus 2 sin square A whole divided by, in the denominator, we will take cos A as common. Cos A into 2 cos square A minus 1. We know the identity sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. That means sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. So we will solve the numerator separately. That this term only, the 1 minus 2 sin square A is equal to 1 minus 2 into sin square is 1 minus cos square A. That's equal to 1 minus 2 plus 2 cos square A. That's equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. Substitute this value to here. LHS is equal to sin A into 2 cos square A minus 1, the whole divided by cos A into 2 cos square A minus 1. So these two are cancelled. We'll get sin A by cos A. That's equal to tan A. That is RHS and hence proved. That's all in this video, dear children. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video.
Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Hit that bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Like and share if you found this helpful. Your support helps us grow and reach more students. Leave a comment below with your math questions. Check out our video suggestions on the right. Together, let's conquer CBSE Maths.